Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. Today's subject could be quite interesting. We are talking about the significance of stablecoin, a test bed for Bitcoin. Let me explain why. First of all, stablecoin is a cryptographic token, right, whose value are normally pegged one token to $1. And countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe, people there keep stablecoin to avoid their local currency debasement and high inflation. Other countries use stablecoin to swap all the different cryptocurrencies. If you have stablecoin on exchange, you can use it to buy other cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple or whatever, almost immediately. But if you have to use fiat currency, you lost a lot of time because the transfer exchange require time, and it can sometimes take hours or days. So recent US government passed the Guinness Act law recognizing and legitimized stablecoin as a currency token. Of course, the most popular stablecoin in the market at the moment is Tether's USDT and Circle's USDC. Because stablecoin is universal and borderless, it means you can buy anything in the stores, online, take a taxi, or even buy a coffee. So indirectly, it becomes a new proxy for the world's reserve currency being bond. Especially for Tether's USDT, which holds the largest non-sovereign private holder of US treasuries in the world. The company Tether is so rich that they park a lot of their reserve into the US treasuries. It's more than the Germany, Spain, Australia and UAE. The irony here is crypto is designed to escape the fiat monetary system. Instead, it is now propping up the US dollars. You see, growing demand for stablecoin means growing demand for treasuries. That is why the US government fully supported the Guinness Act, as a stablecoin help buttress the dollar status as a global reserve currency and boost demand for US treasuries. Simple reason, right? When you think about it. But what has stablecoin to do with Bitcoin? A lot. Even before stablecoins was legitimized by the US, stablecoins like USDT and USDC are already widely used by crypto investors all over the world. People will buy stablecoin and leave it at exchange to swap to different cryptocurrencies conveniently. Before stablecoin legislation, stablecoins are already widely used globally. Some are use it to transfer money out of the country. Foreign workers use it to transfer money back home. Others use stablecoin to escape the country depreciating currency, or treating stablecoin as US dollars. Eastern countries in particular are more adventurous and speculative. They love to trade mint coin for quick profit. They jump back to Bitcoin or Ethereum back and forth to catch the opportunities. It was believed that Chinese investors have plenty of stable coins stored in the Hong Kong exchanges. The biggest problem with stablecoin is Tether can freeze your stablecoin when they suspect it to be linked to stolen illicit activity like hack, in collaboration with law enforcement. This is, you see the danger. Ultimately, it became a tool for the government enforcement, diverging from the decentralized actors inspired by Bitcoin network. While stablecoin indoctrinate as US reserve currency, it will probably have 5 to 10 years of head start. But it won't be forever, especially it is a ceased centralization. I would say stablecoin will be a test bed for Bitcoin into the distant future. You see, when Bitcoin prices goes into the 1 million, by that time, Bitcoin will be unit into Satoshi, and one Satoshi means 1 cent. At that time, stablecoin will be replaced by Satoshi. That won't be too far away. Many experts believe Bitcoin will be 1 million by 2030. 5 years to go. Stablecoin could help Bitcoin achieve the $1 million faster. So if you look back at Bitcoin history, there are many instances of test beds. The first is Litecoin, that went live on the 13th of October 2011, 2 years after Bitcoin was born. Litecoin copy everything exactly as Bitcoin, but speed up the transaction 4 times faster. All right, by mining each block 2.5 minutes instead of Bitcoin's 10 minutes, and expand the limit of to 84 million Litecoin. Same with Bitcoin Cash, who hack fork from Bitcoin by increasing one block size to 8 megabytes instead of 1 megabyte. Again, increasing the transaction speed. Yet, both Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash is not gaining sufficient adoption. You see, Bitcoin don't need all these upgrades, as any upgrade tends to have bugs and compromise the network. Since Bitcoin can only transact 3 to 7 transactions per second, Bitcoin let other people do it, like Lightning Network, who do all the work off-chain. So with Lightning, Bitcoin can now transact in millions per second. The same goes with Ethereum, whose main feature is smart contract that resulted in a lot of ICO and NFTs. Ethereum is another test bed for Bitcoin, and in due course, when smart contract will be also a features of Bitcoin network. With the above explanation, you can now understand the significance of Bitcoin or a stablecoin and how it will be the test bed for Bitcoin as a potential global reserve currency. We shall see. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.